Benson, your principal, coming to you from a classroom at my high school on this Maya Pride Thursday. And I'm excited to be here with
Jeff from ProClean Solutions.
So Jeff, tell us what we got going on here. What are these cool green and white looking things?
This is the Victory Electrostatic sprayer along with the pure tabs that we use to sanitize and disinfect the school daily, Mr. Anderson.
So every day you're using this in our classrooms and hallways, and I heard you say electrostatic sprayer. Let's see how this thing works.
Well, this is hospital grade disinfectant. This one's already ready to go. These chemicals are approved by the CDC and the EPA. It's a real simple application.
Check that out, ladies and gentlemen. That is amazing.
Within 5 to 6 minutes, classrooms are ready for students to come back in.
So, can I give it a shot? What do I do?
This one's already ready to go as well. Go ahead, give it a shot.
All right. Quick and easy, keeping you safe, ladies and gentlemen, because we love you. If no one has told you yet today that they love you, I do. Your Maya Strong teachers and staff do. ProClean Solutions does. That's why we're here. We're looking forward to see you back in classroom to start the next school year. And always remember, we are Maya.